How to install Wise app on iOS. Got an iPhone or iPad and want to use Wise? Here's how to install the Wise app in just few taps. First, open the App Store on your device. Here at the bottom right corner, you can see the search icon. Tap on it. Now at the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Wise. Once you type it in, hit search. Now find the app with the green logo and tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the get button. Tap on it to begin the installation. It usually takes just a few seconds depending on your connection. Once installed, open the app and log in or create a new account to start managing your money internationally. Make sure your iOS is updated for the best performance and compatibility with the Wise app. Are you installing Wise for the first time? Let us know in the comments below. And that's how you can install Wise app on iOS. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.